I have to plus verb is used to express a necessity or an obligation. Examples: I have to get up early tomorrow. I have to study for my examinations next week. I have to wake up early for work tomorrow. I have to send money to my mom. I have to drive my kids to school every day. I have to fetch my kids from school every afternoon. I have to see a doctor once every 2 months. I have to pay a huge amount of electricity bills every month. I have to borrow money from the bank. I have to help her get through all her problems.